Hi friends, welcome to Info Helpers. Most of us might facing an issue with others using our wireless networks, and sometimes we cannot restrict them to use if for some reason, but we want to make them restricted with some limited bandwidth. So, and very less routers vendors are providing these features to limit the bandwidth for users and devices. So friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the bandwidth control option in your GeoGig router, which helps you to limit the bandwidth for specific users or specific devices. So let's get started friends. If you are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe for upcoming videos. First you have to connect with your router with wireless option or wired option. Okay, so here once you connect with your wireless or wired option, you have to enter the IP address of the geo router. You can also find the IP address of the geo router from Google, or the default IP address is always 192.168.29.1. okay, so you have to copy that address, and or you have to type that IP address into any browser in the address bar. Okay, once you enter the IP address in the address bar, okay, you have to click enter, and it will ask you for the user ID and password. Okay. The default user ID and password for the geo router is admin and geocentrum. You can see here like geocentrum is J capital IOCENTRUM. It's all small. So you can also change this password, the default user ID password for geo router. And I have you can also refer my previous videos. You can go to my channel and you can search for it, where I have mentioned, like I have explained how to change the default user ID and password. Okay, once you enter the user ID and password and logged into router, you will be seeing this dashboard of the geo router. Okay, before starting the bandwidth control option, first we should know the IP address or MAC address of the devices which you want to make a bandwidth control. We can get the device addresses of devices which are connected through LAN or WAN from the go to status, and here you will find the LAN clients. That means like the list of devices which are connected through LAN, and those MAC addresses and IP address of those devices. And here you can see the WLAN clients. These are the devices which are connected through wireless options, your wireless network. Okay, you see the MAC address and the access point which is connected to. So you have to make a note of this device which you want to make a bandwidth control enabled. Okay, go to copy the MAC address, go to advanced and click on the bandwidth profile, and here by default it's always been disabled, bandwidth profile. You have to make sure like you are enabling this one. Okay, once you enable, you will be seeing the upstream bandwidth range here. Okay, this is the bandwidth maximum speed of your internet connection. You can enter here the speed of your connection and make sure like this is on kbps. Okay, so 10.10.2.24.000 is almost nearby 1 gig speed. Okay, and once you enter these details, you have to click on save. Okay, this is the maximum bandwidth for my internet connection, my link. Once saved here, you will be seeing here like bandwidth profile details. Okay, this is the bandwidth profile. Profile is nothing but here like we will be categorizing the different users and categorizing those user into profile and make them into in a single like profile bundle. Okay, to do that you have to click on add new profile. You have to enter the profile name. If I have mobile users, like I want to make sure like all mobile users are connected to AP4, and those are like if they are connected to AP4 and the profile name is mobile devices, then we will be enabling the speed here, like the percentage of the total bandwidth of your internet connection. Here it will be asked you percentage bandwidth. Okay, you have to enter the percentage where of your total bandwidth. If you have a bandwidth of 100 Mbps, then, and if you want to restrict to 20 Mbps for particular users, only mobile devices, then you have to enter the 20% here. Okay, enter 20 and click on save. Okay, with this you will be seeing your list of profiles which I have already created, and this is one of the profile which we recently created. Once you created the profile here, you have to go to traffic sector. Okay, traffic selector, and here you have to add the devices to that profile. Okay, first you have to select that profile name which you want to add. Okay, here I have entered mobile 10, which is 20% of the bandwidth for all the devices which are connected to which are under mobile 10 profile. Okay, as I said, we should be knowing the IP address subnet or IP address or MAC address of the device. So if you know the IP address of the device which you want to restrict the bandwidth, then you can enter the bandwidth, you can enter the IP address here, and maximum preferred length. If you know only the MAC address, then you click on the MAC address and paste it here. So as I already copied here, I will be pasting the MAC address of the device which I want to restrict restrict. Okay, I have pasted here and clicked on save. Once you save this one, the bandwidth for this the bandwidth allocation for the device which are under mobile 10 profile all are covered with the only maximum 20 Mbps. So remaining 80 Mbps will be used for different profiles if you have created. Okay, so in this way friends, we can control you can assign the bandwidth for particular users, or list of particular user or list of users. Okay, so friends, in this way we will be enabling the bandwidth control option in Jio router. That's all friend, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe for upcoming videos.